Hey people, what's good? I'm so amped about this unboxing that I'm gonna give you right now. This bad boy here is the Nike Dunk Goldenrod, and I'm about to present a special package with Sneakers76 from Taranto in Italy and Ginnika, which is Italy's #1 festival dedicated to street culture and sneakers, hip hop, music, the whole nine. Now, these bad boys first debuted in 1985 as part of the Be True pack with when the Nike Dunk first appeared, taking its DNA from the Nike Air Jordan 1. And we saw the Kentuckys, we saw the Syracuse, and we also saw these bad boys, which are dubbed the Iowas. But when Nike reissued these in 1999, they were renamed the Goldenrods by a whole new generation. We also saw a limited pair, rumored to be about 36 pairs of the Wu-Tang Dunks. Absolutely crazy. Right, so the contents of this tote bag, which has been explicitly and exclusively presented by Sneakers76 with Ginnika, we see the packaging that you can win this Sunday. I'm going to reveal details on how. Check it out. There's a front page graphic right there. Because, the return of the Goldenrod, front page news, right? I love that. And then two, what's in the tote bag? We have a newspaper. All put together, presented by Ginnika for Sneakers76. But look, the detail, come on, it's absolutely brilliant. The content in here, the interviews, and the whole nine. So, how can you win one of these bad boys? Well, if you go to the Sneakers76 Instagram this Sunday, European time, you're going to get the full details. There's going to be a show on the IG Live dedicated to this shoe with loads of special guests and how you can win one of these exclusive limited edition packages. Now, if the tote bag and the newspaper wasn't enough, you ain't seen nothing yet. Look at the packaging. They have created a sleeve with that front page all the way around the box, housing something really special inside. That is next level. This is one of the best things I've seen this year, no question. Sneakers76 smashed it out of the park. Ginnika smashed it out of the park. Right, now let's check out what's inside this bad boy box, right? Ooh, you get a set of stickers. Check it. Look at that. All the flavors, all the colors. Yeah. Now that is a beautiful look. And then, if that wasn't enough, you get an embroidered t-shirt with the Goldenrod right there. But if that wasn't enough, you flip it round and check it out. The front page is on the back of the t-shirt. And if you thought that wasn't enough, come on. What's a pair of sneakers without a pair of socks? Check it with the Goldenrod woven in right there. A pair of socks that you can rock with the shoes. And then now to the Dunks. The Dunk story this year has been ridiculous. But you know what? Seeing this bad boy come back has been one of this year's highlights. Now look at that. The black, the yellow, and the white. What a beautiful, simplistic colorway that is so vivid and striking. The quality on these shoes is absolutely gorgeous. The shape is slightly different to what we saw back in 1999. It's come out a couple of times since, but what a beautiful, beautiful shoe it is. So, how do you win this pack? Once again, you got to lock in Sneakers76 Instagram this Sunday, 7 p.m. is where it's at. And you know what? You'll be presented with the details on how, when and why you can cop this iconic classic. Anyways, shout outs to my Sneakers76 fam, shout outs to my Ginnika fam, and to you people, good luck this Sunday, 7 p.m. One love, peace.